Hi, I'm Trevor Conquergood, and I'd love to tell you about some fun, fantastic Floriani embroidery events that are going to be happening at Rocky Mountain Sewing this coming August. I'm going to be at all four locations, and it's a one-day event, so you can pick where you want to come and meet me. But we're going to be doing all kinds of things. I call this my Savior Embroidery event. We'll learn about thread and stabilizers and needles. You'll learn about some awesome embroidery techniques. I created this cool patch just for you guys. It's my Rocky Mountain embroidery patch. And so I'll teach you several different patch making techniques. I've also made this cool greetings from the Rocky Mountains or greetings from Colorado postcard. And so you'll learn all about embroidering on paper and so much more, you guys. And I can't wait to meet you guys at Rocky Mountain Sewing. I'm going to be in Colorado Springs on August the 9th, and then Aurora, and then Arvada, and then finally finishing in Littleton on August the 12th, you guys. And so look on their website and sign up to attend one of these awesome Floriani embroidery events. I know you're not going to want to miss it because we're going to have a ton of fun. You'll get lunch and an attendee gift box that'll have thread and everything in it. And I will share all of my Colorado designs with you guys. And so I hope to meet you at Rocky Mountain Sewing this coming August. And until then, have a great day. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.